it! The camel! C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Do you know? Camels can live without water for weeks. They store water in their blood. They store fat in their humps on their backs. Camels can run very, very fast. And do you know? There are about 160 words in Arabic that describe a camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel.
Cry. Cry. Cry.
Now let's waddle our way to the penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Do you know? Penguins are expert swimmers. They fly under the water with their thick feathers. They love to slide on the ice. How cool is that? Unlike many birds, penguins walk longer distances with their paddled feet. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Hey friends, now let's meet our best and beautiful friend, butterfly. Can you spell that with me, please? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. That's right. Butterfly. These are colorful insects that start their lives as caterpillars and undergo a magical transformation called metamorphosis. Can you spot a butterfly fluttering by in your garden? Yes, there it is. Do you know an interesting fact about a butterfly? It also feeds on the nectar of the flowers like the honeybees, and it tastes the honey with its legs. Isn't that amazing? Butterfly, the beautiful insect. It's my favorite insect. How about you? Is it yours too? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Hey, look, there's a butterfly fluttering by. Do you see him meowing there? That's a cat. Yes. C-A-T, cat. Do you know? Cats only meow for humans. Cats make 100 different sounds. Cats can sleep up to 14 to 16 hours a day. Cats can be really cute and they make great pets. Cats can jump 6 times higher than their height. Cats have 18 toes. C-A-T, cat.
Hey, look! A horse there! H-O-R-S-E. Horse! What a magnificent animal it is! Do you know? Horses are very loyal, very fast, great speed, and they love bonds with humans. Horses have great hearing capabilities and they can see things 360 degrees. Do you also know a fun fact about horses? They can never breathe with their mouth. H-O-R-S-E. Horse.